Good afternoon to everyone present out here. Today, I, Satyata Shrarma of Class 8B, representing Torquoise, stand before you all to recite a short poem. The title of my poem is The Solitary Reaper by William Wordsworth. So, here I go. Behold her, single in the field, yon solitary howling lass, ripping and singing by herself. Stop her, or gently pass. Alone she cuts and binds the grains, and sings a melancholy string. Oh, listen, for the vale profound is overflowing with the sounds no nightingales did ever chant. More welcome notes to wavery bands of travelers in some shady huts among the Arabian sands. A voice so thrilling never was heard in the springtime from the cuckoo birds, breaking the silence of the sea. Among the Friday sea birdies, will no one tell me what she sings? Perhaps the planetative numbers flow for old, unhappy, far-off things and battles long ago. Or is it some more humble lay? Familiar matters of today, some natural sorrows, loss, or pain that has been and may be again. Whatever the theme, the maiden sang, as if her songs could have no ending. I saw her singing at her work and over the sickles bending. I listened, motionless and still, as I mounted up the hill. The music in my heart I bore, long after it was heard no more. Thank you.